Dear students, have you ever wondered that why there is always a small packet kept in almost all the new items what we purchase? Okay, so the reason behind that is here. Its main purpose is to help the moisture out by allowing the moisture vapors to get absorbed over the surface of small packet, which is nothing but a silica gel particles. Dear student, what happens if any new packet, any new packet of anything, like suppose you have the mobile phone, suppose you have any DSLR camera you bought, okay, when you open the box you find that packet. So the main function of that packet is whatever the atmospheric moisture our device can absorb or adsorb, okay. So the packet will absorb that atmospheric moisture, not our device, because that atmospheric moisture is not good for our mobile phone or our camera or any other devices. So that's why let me show you how it looks like now. This is silica gel, my dear student. The main function of silica gel is it attracts, it absorbs all the moisture from the environment on its layer, so that our camera or our phone can be protected safely and cannot come in the contact of moisture. See this cell phone, same function. What happens, sometime our cell phone gets wet due to some rainy season or due to some other reason. So what happens, you can surround your mobile phone or your DSLR camera with the silica gels. Then these silica gels will absorb the moisture and make your mobile phone or camera dry. So dear student, this fact is totally amazing that yes, we have the concept to make our cell phone or camera dry and can be bring out in good working condition again. I hope you understood the concept of this silica gel. Dear students, in this chapter we have three important words and they are adsorbate, adsorption and adsorbent. So let's understand what is adsorbent, adsorption and adsorbate here. See, now you are very familiar with this silica gel. The work of this silica gel is to attract the molecules, water molecules from the air, from the atmosphere. So what happens, the particles, the water particles who is attracting towards the silica gel, they are adsorbate. Let's consider the water particles like this, okay. So these water droplets, these water particles are adsorbate, and the place where they are attracting on the surface, that place is known as adsorbent, and this whole phenomena is known as adsorption. So adsorption is a surface phenomena in which adsorbate particles adsorb at the surface of adsorbent. In this particular phenomena, tell me what is adsorbent? The adsorbent is silica gel. Dear student, we have designed these topics, these 7 topics, to boost your performance in the surface chemistry, to get good idea about the surface chemistry. For your knowledge, this topic belongs to the class 12th physical chemistry, but its basic we will build here only. So we will introduce you the adsorption and absorption concepts, colloids, coagulations and filtration methods. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you for watching.